Kuhle masosha kuhle the Blue Nation. Namhlanje siqhubeka ngayo topic yokuthi ingabe na amasonto ayo contribute ku economy. Thina kwelethi ekhaya sikubonile lokho kwenzeka. Sikubona siziqhinya sizigqaja ukuthi okwethu umholi imboni yakwantu uDr Uzwilezwe Radebe uye wasithatha skills development was embrace as iSkills Development Act ska 1998 sa introduced. iSkills Development Act is one of the acts ezikhona ezizama khona ukuthi zincedise ukuthi iunemployment iphele eSouth Africa. Masibheke manje ukuthi ivision nemission ye-NSDS yini, National Skills Development Strategy. Ichaza kahle ukuthi the vision is to have a skilled and capable workforce that shares in and contributes to the benefits and opportunities of economic expansion and an inclusive growth path. Mission is to increase access to high quality and relevant education and training and skills development opportunities, including workplace learning and experience, to enable effective participation in the economy and society by all South Africans and reduce inequalities. Masibheka social kule part. Siyabona ukuthi ifocus ibhekise kakhulu kuma workplace. Kukhulunywa kakhulu nama employers makukhulunywa ngeSkills Development Act. Masibheka imboni yakwantu ithathile ya-adopta these principles. Iloko ingazange ibe exposed to the workplace environment. Skills development means more and better opportunities. It means that jobs can be considered where unskilled workers will never be able to venture. We are proud today ukuzoshara nani imisebenzi eyenzekayo ekhayeni lethu. Lapho khona ulusha lwethu i-youth lelwathole opportunities zabo zokuthi bakwazi uku-acquire the skills, because without the skill set umuntu akakhona ukuthi athole umsebenzi. Siwudlulisa njalo umbongo wethu kuyo imboni yakwantu njengoba sibona ukuthi uye wavula iminyango amasango we-organization yakhe, institution yakhe noma ingasi workplace for ulusha lwethu ukuthi likwazi ukufunda i-skills during sona isikhathi sokuza ekhayeni kuningi okwenzakalayo ekhayeni lethu. Sibonile ukuthi i-skills development require investment eningi. Investment esikhathi, investment emali, investment resources. Thina ekhayeni siyenza holistically i-skills development. If ufuna ukuyibona in practice yenzeka la ekhaya. Sinolusha olufike abantwana abancane kakhulu kodwa i-environment yavulwa kwa create a platform for them to learn these skills. Investment eningi ehambile ngena ku-equipment mawubheka amagatsha wethu wonke anayo equipment esound bayanikwa ithuba ukuthi bafunde konke lokho in practice ngoba i-challenge eningi ekhona kwa-government regarding e-learnerships is that we may have the FETs lapho abantu befunda khona ama-colleges and so on i-theory part, but ama-workplace la bezopractice khona the skill set, the actual practical job azibe khona. Mazikhona ama-employers are more and extra careful kodwa la ekhayeni imboni iyakwenza konke lokho ngothando ukuzinikela kubantwana benu masosha ukuthi nabo bangene bafunde. Abaningi babo nizozibonela like bangene bengenayo nane theory part konke bakufundise khona lapha ekhaya. Sibonga njalo. Ake sibukele ke masosha.
Kuhle masosha kuhle tata. Lo thetha nguThobani uMkhuma Xasibu Mbathane umfene uLisa uJambasi. Masosha ngicela uqale nditsho ukuba I am a product of umboni Uzwilezwe. Konke endikwenza emsebenzini ndafunda khona ekhayeni lo moya phansi kwesandla sikatata. Masosha ndiqale 2012 ekhayeni ndidlalela ibhola only on Saturdays ndifumaneka. Bendingenayo lutho endiyenzayo ekhayeni ngaphandle kwebhola. Ezixesha lihamba ndaqalisa ke ngoku-attenda ama-service Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. Ndafumana iitshomi khona ekhayeni ndabhabhatisa ndaba yimember. Ezixesha lihamba ndajoyina i-media crew ndaba yi-7th kwi-photography. Bengenalo ulwazi lwe-television, media and television bengenalo ulwazi tu. Nakhona reason why benjoyine i-crew was ukuthi ndibe busy ndingafocus kuphela ebholeni. Masosha ndafunda ubamba ikhamera, ndafunda ukushuta ndimncinci kunjalo. Nje ngithetha nani ngoku I am a content strategist SABC for factual shows. Some of the shows engisebenze kuzo nguMy First. I am also a photographer and video operator for 2 production companies, eziyenza ishow for Mzansi Magic and also SABC, which is the Sunrise Emandleni and Mirror Effect Media. So tata bendenza le video ubulela, ndibulela ukubekezela kwakho, ndikhumbula utsho few years back ukuthi when you're a camera operator you need to be in charge, you need to control, funeka abantu bave ngawe. And from that day damika sure ukuthi ndiyawamamela lamazwi, ndiyawasebenzisa apha emsebenzini, and I believe that's why ndilapha ngoku. It's because of amazwi wawusisharela wona, i-work ethic wawusinika yona, nokubekezela kwakho tata. Siyabulela, ndithi ndiyabonga tata. Kuhle Masosha, kuhle Zulu.
Kuhle Masosha, kuhle. Okhulumayo sithembiso samaphumulo Zikode, ucala iMashimane Vikazi uMphephethu. Masosha, namhlanje ngilethe umbongo wami ubaba wesizwe, ubaba uZwilezwe. Mina Masosha la ekhaya nomoya ngifike ngo-2009, and 2009 ngifike ngumfana omncane, but ubaba uZwilezwe wangikhulisa and he played a father figure role. Ngo-2019 I was given a chance ukuthi ngiseve under imedia as a photographer. And ekuhambeni kwesikhathi Masosha, ubaba uZwilezwe ungifundisile i-photography because mina bengayazi camera, bengayazi photography, ukuthatha isithombe. Kodwa ubaba uZwilezwe invested in me as the youth, wa-investa kimi, and today namhlanje Masosha, I'm proud to say ukuthi I'm a professional photographer because of ubaba uZwilezwe. I've worked with many people kule industry who abawaziwayo la eMzansi Africa. I've worked with the current Mrs. South Africa. I've worked with the doctors aba-invente i-insulin ye-diabetes, abase-Novo Nordisk. I've worked with the lady odumile ngokuyenza ubucwebe, ujewelry, uMrs. Jenna Clifford. And I've also worked with the people base-United Nations abazoletha ukuthula ezweni. Masosha, kuningi ngakusho, kodwa ngalokho ngithi ngiyabonga baba uZwilezwe for le thuba ongiphe lona, because akekho omunye umuntu ongithathile wangifundisa lento. It's because of ubaba uZwilezwe, and ngiyawabonga amandla kababa ngokuthi angikhulise, alethe iskill phezu kwempilo yami, and khona okuningi engikufundile. Ngiyabonga Zulu.
Kuhle Masosha, kuhle. Okhulumayo ngumbongeni wakamkhwanazi. Namhlanje ngizothanda ukubonga, ngizofakazela futhi neimfundiso zemboni kuze kube namhlanje. Ngaqala mina la The Revelation Spiritual Home, isase The Revelation Church of God ngo-2010. Eqaleni kwami ngo-2010 towards the end of the year, ngangathola ithuba lokuthi ngilekelele ki-crew yase The Revelation Spiritual Home ngaleso sikhathi. Ukungena kwami ki-crew, I had no knowledge, no know-how, nothing, blank. Bear in mind, Sosha, that time I was doing grade 10 kusiya grade 11 mangena kwami ku-crew. So ngangena lapho ngamukelwa kakhulu imboni, and ubaba used to sit down ahlale nathi and teach us how he wants us to do i-videos the organization. Now, it is through leyo guidance yakho baba back those days that I am where I am today. But Masosha, before we fast forward sifike to today, asibuyele emuva kancane ngeke ngixoxele nami kancane i-history yami ne The Revelation Spiritual Home. Masosha, my first time ngigibele aeroplane ngayigibela ngise Revelation Spiritual Home. My first time ngigibele helicopter ngayigibela ngise Revelation Spiritual Home. My first time traveling outside of Johannesburg kwakuse Revelation Spiritual Home. Yo, impact eyenziwe ile organization empilweni yami is beyond measure. Masosha, kule 10 years ngilekelela phansi kwesandla semboni, impilo yami ichintshe ngendlela eyisimanga. Today ngumuntu okwazi ukushoota, ngiumuntu okwazi ukudirector, ngiumuntu okwazi ukwenza i-vision mixing, ngiumuntu futhi owazi nobuchwepheshe be-editing, ngiumuntu futhi one-knowledge into zo live stream. Yonke le knowledge enginayo today yi-knowledge engayifunda khona la ekhayeni lethu lomoya. Masosha, today ngirana i-business ekuthiwa i-Visuals by Brandon Pty Ltd, a company that would have not been possible was it not for imboni. Kule company ngenza zonke iziskill engizifunde la ekhayeni lomoya, izinto engispecialize ngazo ngaphandle. So in other words, Masosha, into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi I am today earning a living ngalezi zinto engazifunda from imboni. Masosha, today i-Visuals by Brandon i-company eqashile, i-company futhi esiyenza more than R1 million in 1 year. Today we shoot for very big brands, ama-brands esikhule siwa-enjoya, abantu esikhule sibabuka kuma-television. We are creating content for global companies, and Masosha, please, ningakhathali ukuyizwa lento. None of this would be possible ngaphandle kwemfundiso ne-guidance kababa all these years. Masosha, through these trying times of COVID-19, where abantu are losing so much assets, so much money, ibhizinisi lethu limanagile ukuthi ligrowe. And today ngizobonga kakhulu amandla kamfihlakalo, izithunywa zase-The Revelation Spiritual Home kanye nabakithi, ngoba ibhizinisi likwazile ukuthi lithenge imoto enkulu, iToyota Fortuner. Siyabonga kakhulu.